This is Goalpara, one of the beautiful districts in Assam. It is a place surrounded by some breathtaking scenic beauties. The district has a significant tribal population, including indigenous tribes such as Rabhas, Garos and the Boros, and the minorities that live in the plains in the riverine source and in the hilly terrains along the Assam-Meghalaya border, and a heterogeneity of ethnic groups such as Nepalis, Bengalis, Nath Yogis and Hajong tribals, all of whom are lagging behind in various developmental indices. And the main focus of the district administration is to provide empowerment to these backward population residing in the district. Rural connectivity in the state of Assam and particularly in Goalpara district has been a matter of grave concern for the administration. In order to provide all-weather connectivity to the people of the district, Ministry of Rural Development had sanctioned 565 kilometers of road for the district under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. In order to reduce the dependence on natural resources in the construction of roads, the district administration have implemented various green technologies for road construction in Goalpara. The technologies which have been implemented are waste plastic technology, self-filled concrete technology, geogrid technology, cold mix technology and interlocking concrete pavement block ICBP.
अभी हम तो ये देख के तो बहुत खुश है अभी उससे और क्या चाहिए हमको ये हम लोग का दुआ है
আমি বহুত দুখ কষ্টৰে ৰাস্তাটো খোজকাঢ়িব লগা হৈছিল লগতে আমাৰ খেতি বাতিৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি এই স্কুল ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে আগতে সাইকেল লৈও যাব পৰা নাছিল খুবেই বেয়া আছিল কিন্তু আজি আমাৰ এই ৰাস্তাটো হোৱাতে আমি খুবেই আনন্দিত গাঁওবাসীও আনন্দিত
Road connectivity in Goalpara district is very poor. So Government of India has sanctioned 550 kilometers of road under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. But the greatest challenge was scarcity of forest material in the district. So we have adopted new green technology like waste plastic technology, grid technology, CC block technology and self-fill technology. And with the help of new green technology, we have completed 150 kilometers of roads during last 6 months.